It's a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. Tacoma wasn't built to follow the trail of others. It forges its own path. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: V6 engine, rear-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, front tow hooks, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and automatic transmission. Many are driven, few are chosen. The Tacoma was named most dependable midsize pickup in the J.D. Power & Associates 2011 Vehicle Dependability Study, and IntelliChoice called it a 2011 Best Overall Value in the compact pickup segment. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
We at Lakeland Toyota know you want a reliable used car. Visit us online anytime at lakelandtoyota.com. Stop in and see us at 2925 Mall Hill Drive in Lakeland, Florida.